My name's John Barker, probably the greatest pitmaster of all time. Nobody really knows, anybody can say it. It's all subjective. That being said, today I got a very special recipe. I got some of this strawberry acai Matador Energy drink from YouTube superstar Danny Duncan, and we're gonna use it to make some of the best chicken wings you'll ever have in your life. Again, it's all subjective. Let's freaking go. The first thing we're gonna do is make like the Chronic and throw these bad boys backside up, and we're gonna season them with your favorite barbecue rub. I'm using that Skull and Mortar OG rub. Once you got them seasoned, you're gonna flip them over so the top side's up. That Skull and Mortar rub's available at skullandmortar.com if you're looking for it. And then we're just gonna go ahead and give it a healthy dose of seasoning on the top side as well. Now I want a little extra saltiness with this, so I'm gonna go ahead and use some of that hardcore carnivore black rub as well. I know it says it's for beef, but it's good on chicken too. Just give it a light dusting. Now's a great time for you to hit that like and subscribe as we're throwing our wings directly on the rack. We've got our smoker set at 300 degrees and you can use whatever wood you want. I'm using cherry. Now while our wings get up to 165 degrees internal, we're gonna go ahead and make our sauce, and we're gonna start with some strawberry preserves. Now we really wanna amplify the strawberry flavor in the Matador Energy drink and take advantage of that sweetness. Now we got our strawberry acai Matador Energy drink, and we're going to pop the cap on this and we're gonna dump the entire thing into our sauce. Now we do want to maintain some of the traditional elements of barbecue, so I'm going to use the Skull and Mortar OG sauce here to kind of round out my sauce. Now if you don't have access to this sauce, you'll want to use a sauce that does well with sweeter elements. That's very important because with the strawberry jelly and then the Matador Energy drink, it's going to be sweet, so you don't want a sauce that's going to conflict with those flavors. From here on out, we're just going to whisk it down. We're going to heat it up. We're going to get it to a rolling boil. And then we're going to let it cool back down so it thickens up. You want to make sure that you keep the sauce moving though so it doesn't burn. It will burn easily because of the sugar, so keep it moving. Now, after about 2.5 hours, our wings are done and they are looking phenomenal. We're going to go ahead and pour our sauce into a bowl here. As you can see, it is still a little thin, but it is still very hot. So we're going to let that cool down just a little bit longer. We want to make sure that we get it off that heat though. Guys, we have finished our Matador Energy shot chicken wings. We've got the sauce here, and honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you, I took a little sneak peek. It's really actually pretty good, dude. I'm honestly surprised. I didn't know what to expect. But we're gonna start small here. We're just gonna dip a chicken wing in here. Get a load of that. Get a load of that.
You're holding it sideways. Get
a load of that. I'm just gonna keep saying get a load of that until somebody confirms that they have in fact got a load of that. All right, let's give it a bite. Bro, you gotta be kidding me. These wings are low-key a banger, and they're really pretty simple. I'm very surprised by how good these wings turned out. In fact, I think I'm gonna eat this wing as well. They're good, they're fruity, they got a nice sweetness to them. They got the right amount of salt, they got the right amount of savory. Guys, I know a lot of you are gonna watch this video and say, why would I ever do this? But if you actually do this, you will know why you should do it. So good. I'm really surprised by how good these are. Guys, if you thought this recipe was pretty awesome, make sure you hit like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. In fact, let us know what kind of recipes you want to see us make down below. Nothing is too wild, nothing is too crazy. There are no rules in cooking, okay? Deuces, my friends. I think that still means goodbye, right? Do people say deuces, or is that no good anymore? Yo, Google thinks that you would love this video. You should click on it and watch it. Give it a try. Who are we to argue with the AI genius of the algorithm?